Hello friends, welcome to Nalini Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make gajar ka halwa. Please don't forget to click the subscribe and bell icon button so that you get instant notification of all my upcoming and new recipes. Let's start and look at the ingredients first. 400 grams grated carrot, 100 grams sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon clarified butter, 100 grams thickened milk, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon pistachios chopped fine, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts chopped fine, 1 tablespoon of almonds chopped fine and 1 tablespoon raisins. First in a bowl we'll put grated carrot, sugar, lemon juice and mix well. We are using lemon juice so that carrot retains its color. Now cover and keep the mixture for 1 hour so that the sugar dissolves in it. Now in a pan, put prepared mixture and keep stirring until water is absorbed. Now add clarified butter, thickened milk and mix well and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add cardamom powder and mix well and cook it until clarified butter separate. Now put almonds, cashews, pistachios, raisins and cook for another 2 minutes. Yummy gajar ka halwa is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I'll be back soon with many more new interesting, tasty and delicious recipes. Stay healthy, happy and fit. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.